How to play Minecraft Story Mode in 2024. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, as you may know, Telltale Games has released a Minecraft Story Mode on the year 2015, and unfortunately it has been discontinued. Now, if we head over to the official Steam page right here, we can then go ahead and see that unfortunately Minecraft Story Mode, a Telltale game series, is no longer available on the Steam store. So you cannot go ahead and download it from the page right here or from the official website. Now, the way that you can go ahead and play this game is by buying a physical copy of the game. You can go ahead and get it from eBay or Amazon depending on what you want to buy from, and basically it will go ahead and look something like this. You can only play this game by using a PS4, Xbox One, or Xbox 360. You want to go ahead and insert this disc on your consoles and you will still be able to play this game right here. Now, unfortunately, that is the only way on how you can go ahead and play this game, is by buying a physical copy. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.